What would we do with $35,000 Lamborghini? Put hand controls in it.
Hey friends, my name is Barry Doyle. I'm a certified driver rehab specialist at Craig Hospital. We're sitting in a modified minivan with a 6-way transfer base that enables folks with spinal cord injuries to get into the driver position. I'm now in the driver position. The opportunity for someone that I train to be able to drive a Lamborghini would be absolutely incredible. Once in a lifetime opportunity. They'll never have the opportunity to do that. So that sounds really cool to me. What I think you should put in said Lamborghini is a low-tech hand control by SureGrip. It's called a push rock hand control. You push for brake, you rock back for gas. Physically, it doesn't look too difficult. Push for brake, rock back for gas. Mentally, it's a little bit more challenging. What we refer to in the business is called gas brake confusion. It's automatic for you and I, able-bodied driver, to know what to do to operate the gas and the brake. Our right foot pushes the gas and the brake. It's automatic. Folks with spinal cord injury, after their injury, learning to drive a vehicle again, it's not automatic what to do. They have to think about it. Every time they push on the brake, they have to think about what they need to do. Every time they pull back for gas, they have to think about what they do. Mentally, it's pretty challenging. It takes a lot of repetition to make that automatic again. So to take that training that they receive from us or from other programs and apply it in a Lambo, that'd be pretty awesome.
Hey guys, Justin here with Mobility of Denver. So if we were to get that $35,000 Lamborghini, we would install some hand controls like you see here from our partner SureGrip, so folks with spinal cord injuries could get out on the track. Instead of driving a minivan like this, we could drive a supercar. So subscribe today, share the video,